Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Faridia. So for today, I would like to present about my internship at Malaysia Airports Holdings Berhad. For today's presentation, it includes on the company's profile, trainings reflection, SWOT analysis on rectifying and improving aesthetically washroom mirrors at Cool Airport under Lean Six Sigma project, cost and effect analysis, improvement plan, P metrics, and other Lean Six Sigma tools that is used in the project. For the company profile, we will start with the company background. Malaysia Airports Holdings Berhad is one of the largest airport operator groups based on the total number of passengers handled. MAHB has managed 39 airports in total throughout Malaysia, which are 5 international airports, 16 domestic airports, and 18 stall ports. The company also owns and manages an international airport in Istanbul, Turkey. So this is the company's logo. If you look closely, the Malaysia Airports logo is a composition of 3 elements: a control tower, a runway, and an aircraft flying skywards. The logo's colors, which consist of blue and orange, mirror the corporate mission. The company also truly believes that their brand is more than just a logo or a tagline. It is what the company stands for, what they believe in, and what they promise to deliver. The company's vision is a global airport group that champions connectivity and sustainability. The brand promise is hosting joyful connections. The core values icon stands for integrity, customer centricity, accountability, and new ideas. Malaysia Airport Corporate Office is located at Sepang, Selangor, while other airport service operating in Malaysia are at every state except Perlis and Johor, as Johor is a private airport and not under Malaysia Airports. So for the Runway to Success 2020 business plan, it summarizes the company's business goals and vision for the future. It sets out how the company intends to create a sustainable business that delivers growth and allow them to capitalize on future opportunities, providing a firm financial base from which to expand and make further investments, which include the KLIA Hub, the Total Airport Experience, Airpolis, and international expansion. As you can see, this is the organizational structure. Malaysia Airport is a very big company, so the departments are divided into many divisions. The products and services offered by the company are divided into 2 categories, which are services and products. The main services are airport service and hotel, while the products offered are duty-free and non-dutiable goods and agriculture and horticulture. So these are the key milestones. I will only highlight the important part. As you can see, Malaysia Airports is established in 1992 and the opening of KLIA is in 1998. Moving on to the next part. The duration of my internship is 6 months, starting from 1st March 2021 until 13th of August 2021. Working days start from Monday to Friday and weekend holiday is on Saturday and Sunday. I will be working from 8:30 am until 5:30 pm, which is only 9 hours in total. So my location of training is at Malaysia Airport Sepang, Sendirian, Berhad, which is at KLIA and KLIA 2. The department that is assigned to me is Terminal Services Department. The roles and responsibility as Terminal Service Division is to ensure that terminal areas serve and meet all the criteria that passengers and other airport users demand, such as accurate information, serviceable system and facilities, cleanliness of facilities, clear signage, and also sufficient numbers of trolleys. The tasks and assignments assigned are 5S project, toilet inspection, trolley management, meetings, walkabout, and site visit. And as for the tasks and assignments assigned, I did inspection to ensure facilities at KLIA are in serviceable condition, and it is categorized into 3 criteria: daily inspection, inspection based on report, inspection prior to event. And for the 5S project, it is needed before and after inspection and report at the Terminal Services Department office. And for the toilet inspection, it is to ensure toilets and public areas are clean and serviceable at all times. And for the trolley management, it is to ensure trolleys are available and in good condition at all times. There are two types of trolleys: airside trolleys and also landside trolleys. For the specific specialization task, I have to prepare slides about butterfly effect and present to the GM of Malaysia Airports and other staffs. I also have to attend meetings in relation to operation management. So for the benefits, it is categorized into two benefits, which is tangible benefits and also intangible benefits. For tangible benefits, I'm entitled for 6 days annual leave, working from home during MCO and public holidays, and I'm eligible for vaccination under my company. And for the intangible benefits, I've gained knowledge and skills development. I learned about the new systems that are being implemented at KLIA, which is WIMS. WIMS stands for Washroom Inspection Management System. It is a digital tool that helps Terminal Operation Malaysia Airports to improve the cleanliness of the washrooms. I've also learned and participated in the GX Design Lab program. It is a brainstorm program to elevate and bring the wow factors for passengers' experience in the airport. So for the personal development, I have been more punctual by maintaining good attendance record and punctual time for clock in and out to avoid any delays in work. I've also maintained the good first impression of me from co-workers until the end of the internship. I've also been more responsible by delivering the task given excellently and accordingly to the superior directions and instructions. For the social development, I have improved self-confidence in me. I learned how an organization actually operates, which covers on how to work and communicate in groups for various departments. I've also involved in a work streamline process flow for time taken for passengers to arrive to their respective gate under Lean Six Sigma project, which includes interns and apprentices to work side by side. I've also involved in doing presentation by giving information on the butterfly effect project to the senior management. So the gains that I have gained from my internship is worthwhile experience, because I get to access the VVIP and VIP rooms, which is rooms that only accessible to the VIPs, and I get to go to the international gate to experience myself strolling at the KLIA Jungle Boardwalk and domestic gates that have various of shops and restaurants to shop and dine in. So for the buildings in KLIA, they manage 4 buildings, which are Main Terminal Building, Satellite Building, Contact Pier, and also Bunga Raya Complex. The Main Terminal Building at KLIA has 5 floors. CP and Satellite have 2 floors. And next, for the SWOT analysis, it shows how Malaysia Airport Terminal Service Division handled the permanent stain or defect and discoloration of the washroom mirrors and how the washroom improvement are being done. For the SWOT analysis, I have chose to do SWOT based on my topic, which is rectifying and improving aesthetically washroom mirrors at Kuala Airport under the Lean Six Sigma project. One of the strengths is oversees the entire cleaning and facilities of management KLIA and capable to look for options available at the market to solve the identified root cause. The weakness is quality of the sticker. The sticker quality is made of poor quality as only part of the sticker was pasted and wrong cleaning process which the workers just mindlessly splashing of water that leads to damage and aging facilities. And for the opportunities are present in the form of improvement in the quality of service score given by MEFCOM. It also has significantly improved the passengers' experience using the washroom. And for the threads, the durability of the stickers lasts between 1 to 3 years, and it is unavoidable as they still have to change it after 3 years. And vandalism is one of the threats in this case. This is because it is uncontrollable and it is the passenger's mentality. So for the SWOT recommendation, it improved the inspection and monitoring of our facilities in terminal, build partnership with vendors in the market for future collaborative improvement, and for the weakness, we have conduct proper training to educate cleaners on proper cleaning methods, and for the opportunity, MAHB target to achieve top 10 in ASQ will become a reality when the passenger's experience can be improved. And consistent failures in MEFCOM QoS scores can be improved on this washroom mirror element. And lastly, for threats, the cost was the main drawback during this implementation. Moving forward to the terminal team will monitor the durability of this decorative sticker. And if found less durable, we'll look for an alternative decorative sticker provider. And for vandalism, it is something uncontrollable. With many improvements done at the washroom areas, a stricter inspection and monitoring schedule is in place to prevent such events. For the cause and effect diagram, in order to identify the potential root causes of permanent stain or defect and discoloration of the washroom mirrors, the team used one of the lean tool called Ishikawa diagram. Ishikawa diagram is beneficial during the identification of the root causes and is divided into 6 areas. Let us dive deeper and understand what the potential root causes are. The man has installed the mirror incorrectly. A wrong method was employed for the cleaning process. The method carried out was wrong and didn't comply with the existing standard operating procedure. The materials utilized for installation were aged and almost a decade old. These materials are detrimental to the environment and possess the ability to cause hazard. Incorrect measurement of the materials causes the water to enter the rest sides of the mirror. This in turn causes the damage to the silver backing of the mirror. In addition, the machine exhibits defect. Consequently, the causes results in permanent stain or defect and discoloration of the mirrors installed in the washroom of KLIA 2. The washrooms consist of 10 sets of toilets located at Sector 2 on the second and third level of the airport. And for the improvement plan, to validate the root causes, the team uses another lean tool called YY analysis. The findings reveal that incorrect mirror installation is caused by the man in charge of installation. This is due to the prevalence of unskilled workers. These workers are incompetent and portray the inability to comprehend instructions. In most circumstances, they do not obey and follow the recommended installation methods. The material used was aging material as revealed by the findings. The mirrors were installed during construction of KLIA 2 in 2018. Making it almost a decade old. As part of the improvement plan, a decorative sticker is installed on top of the mirror as a move to cover the defects. Furthermore, the silicone work is redone in order to give the mirrors a fresh and improved look. The findings also shows how water enters the rest sides of the mirror while creating damage on the silver backing of the mirror. This occurred during the process of washing the toilets. And for the pure metrics, out of the 4 options that have been brainstormed, the team decided to proceed further by evaluating all these 4 options using another tool called pure metrics. Pure metrics is also known as prioritization matrix, whereby it is primarily used when there are multiple options to choose from, and the tool will assess which options is the best options. There are 6 elements that were used to evaluate the options, and the highest weightage goes to option 4, which is install decorative sticker. Option 4 ranked full mark for all elements except for reliability and durability of the material, which that it can only last for about 3 years. The team decided to pursue with option 4 and monitor the effectiveness and durability from time to time and improvise. And for the cost and impact analysis. Cost and impact analysis tools was used to determine which options are the best option to tackle the discoloration of the mirrors. So, the best option is installation of decorative stickers amounted to 36,260 ringgit. This method is advantageous as it can last for at least half a term, namely 1 to 3 years. It can further improve the ambience and is easily changeable. Finally, it is easily maintained and costs reasonably low. Nevertheless, the method disadvantages as there is a need to replace the mirrors in the case of discoloration at the center. For the customer value analysis, based on the customer value analysis, 3 designs were proposed for the decorative sticker. Based on the CVA results, a total of 12 out of 20 male washroom users preferred option 3. Female users, on the other hand, opted for option 2. These results reflect the customer's preference and perceptions. And lastly, for the result, it can be seen here, the before and after. Lean Six Sigma project have been successfully implemented and also improved the washroom ambience. Not only that, but it has also improved the MEFCOM quality service QoS score. And by implementing this solution, not only they have saved a lot of costs, but they also managed to improve the ASQ and QoS. Next, the passing score for the cleanliness and ambience of a washroom is 90, and it has enhanced the passengers' experience in using the washroom. The score that they received was excellent. They also have successfully avoided the penalty fee from MEFCOM. Malaysia Airports is pleased to share the November 2008 Quality of Service statistics for KLIA and KLIA2, which showed that the KLIA2 terminal continued to thrive and exceeds all 7 QoS targets. As a conclusion, from the SWOT analysis based on rectifying and improving aesthetically washroom mirrors at Cool Airport, under Lean Six Sigma projects, the strength factors should be maintained and the opportunities should be embraced. The weakness will need to be consistently improved and threats need to be overcome so that the washroom mirrors at Cool Airport will always be in great functioning order. This industrial training helps me receive a lot of experience, knowledge, and useful exposure about operations management at airport terminal. The internship came with its limitations, especially during this COVID-19 pandemic, and caused a massive impact to the organization. But the organization do not stop as it is categorized as essential sector. This is one of the benefits to have trained at Malaysia Airports. So that's all from me. And these are the references. Thank you for your time.